Today we're going to understand the three classification of accounts. Okay, so if I say accounts here, okay, so if I say accounts here, classification of accounts. So classification of accounts. Accounts is classified into basic three. The first one is personal account. Second is real account. And the third one is nominal account. Nominal account. Okay. Now, when I say personal, real, and nominal, here personal account. Personal account means what? There are, it involves names of persons, or you can say names of institutions, or you can say names of it can be banks, institutions makes up banks, companies. Now, yeah, example I can say here is example. Example can be Mr. Ram, personal account. Now, if I take an example of is in a transaction. So, अगर एक मैं transaction लिखूँ इसमें, Mr. Ram purchased goods of rupees 2000. So, this is goods of rupees 2000. So, who purchased? Mr. Ram. So, can I say this Mr. Ram is it is a personal account because his name is there. Right? Now, second thing, this is one example. Okay. So, example number one. Example number two, if I take Mr. Ram deposited rupees 1000 into Bank of India. So, can I say this bank name is here Ram, and also the name of a company? I said personal account में क्या आएगा? Name of persons, institutions, banks, companies. Okay. So your bank name is come. So it is which account? Personal account. Mr. Ram is which account? Personal. Got this? So here we can say that these are the personal accounts. What is the example for real account? What do you mean by real account here? Real account means whatever you can see. Sorry, real account is divided into two parts: tangible and intangible. Okay, so tangible and intangible. What you can see and touch, it is tangible. What you cannot see and touch, it is intangible. Tangible का यहाँ पे एग्जांपल दूंगा मैं. Purchase machinery rupees 1000. So machinery purchase किया of how much? 1000. Machinery is called as which account? It's a real. Machinery is a real account. Okay. Then we come to the third example. So whatever we can see and touch, or you can say whatever we can see and touch, it is called as which account? Real account. Or you can say tangible account. And हम क्या बोलेंगे अभी के लिए क्या बोलेंगे हम इसको real account ही बोलेंगे. Nominal account. Nominal account means फिलहाल के लिए intangible बाद में करेंगे. Okay. So फिलहाल के लिए इतना समझना है. So whatever machinery examples अभी इसका देंगे हम examples. So example is furniture. You can see and touch. Furniture, cash, money. You can see and touch. Yes. Machinery. Okay. So these are all what? Real accounts. Then we have nominal account. Nominal account मतलब क्या? Expenses and losses, incomes and gains. एक्सपेंसेस मतलब कौन से? जो भी खर्चा. फॉर एग्जांपल बहुत बड़ी आपकी बिल्डिंग्स हैं, बहुत आपकी एक बड़ी फैक्ट्री है, तो फैक्ट्री में आपके यहाँ पे वर्कर्स काम कर रहे हैं. ओके. तो उसके जो वेजेस आप पे करोगे, दिट इज व्हाट? एक्सपेंसेस. आपकी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल है, तो वट एवर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल यू गोइंग टू पे, it is what? It is a nominal expense. So there are expenses. The expenses are called as what? For example के तौर से लेंगे हम paid ₹5,000, or I can say for electricity bill. So paid 5,000 is what? It is a expense. So it will come which account? Nominal account. अगर मैं ऐसे बोलूँगा तो Mr. Ram purchased goods of ₹5,000. So what we learn today is three accounts: personal, real, and nominal. So Mr. Ram purchased goods of ₹2,000. So what is this? Purchased goods of 2,000. So which is उसमें कौन से account आ गए हैं? Mr. Ram. So this is a personal account. Purchase machinery of ₹1,000. The business purchased the machinery of 1,000. So machinery account, machinery is which it is a, we can see and touch, is a real account. Expenses of ₹5,000 for electricity bill paid. आपने जो expenses pay किए, it is which account? Nominal. So expenses paid, so which account it is? Nominal. आपने expenses pay किया, आपने income pay किया, sorry आपको income मिला, आपका बहुत बड़ा एक ये था, आपके बैंक में पैसे थे, कंपनी के, आपकी कंपनी है, आपकी कंपनी के बैंक के पैसे हैं और आपका इंटरेस्ट मिला. जो भी आपको इंटरेस्ट मिलता है, आपका बिजनेस है, फॉर एग्जांपल शॉर्ट में आपका बिजनेस है, आपके बिजनेस में आपको बहुत प्रॉफिट हुआ तो आपने पैसा बैंक में डाला. अभी बैंक में से आपको पैसा मिला एज इंटरेस्ट, एवरी मंथ यू गेट इंटरेस्ट रिसीव्ड ऑफ रुपीज, फॉर एग्जांपल 1,000 यू गेट. इट इज व्हाट? इट इज अ इनकम. सो इनकम किस में आएगा? फिर से वो नॉमिनल अकाउंट ही है. तो जो भी ट्रांजैक्शंस में इनकम है, जो भी ट्रांजैक्शंस में एक्सपेंसेस हैं, वो क्या हो जाएंगे? नॉमिनल अकाउंट. जो भी ट्रांजैक्शंस में आप मशीनरी परचेस करते हो तो कौन सा अकाउंट हो जाएगा? रियल अकाउंट. जिसमें भी नाम है, नया नाम, नेम, बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, राम, सो दिस ऑल नेम्स, इंस्टीट्यूशन के, कंपनी के नेम, इट इज अकाउंट, पर्सनल अकाउंट. क्लियर? So this is how this thing. Now to write, if you want, this is just explain to this. तो अगर आपको लिप की चाहिए तो I'll give in the writing also. How it has to be. So it will be like this. It will be like this. दिख रहा है सबको? करना है, ठीक है.